Welcome back, and now we have news from sports. Dempo Sports Club coach Armando Colasso has expressed his discomfort over AIFF's decision of keeping national players in an 8-month-long camp. Dempo, with 7 national players in their side, will be the biggest sufferers with this decision. Colasso stated that if the players are not released by the AIFF, he may advise the club management to withdraw the team from next season's AFC Cup.
After winning this season's I-League, Dempo have confirmed a place in next season's AFC Cup. But coach Armando Colasso's dream is the AFC Champions League. However, with AIFF's decision of holding an 8-month camp for national players in view of the Asian Cup 2011, Dempo's bid for the Champions League status will suffer a blow.
I'm going to write a letter and ask them whether these players will be released to play in the AFC Cup. 7 of my players are there. The cream. And if these players are not there, what am I going to play with? Go and get 9 goals, 12 goals, 14 goals and spoil the reputation which we have? I will talk to the management on this issue, and if these players are not released to play, then I may request the management not to send the team to AFC, to withdraw it. I'm going to write and request them, at least to AFC International, to release them. I don't mind if they don't want to release for the I-League here, which starts in September. I don't mind. But for the AFC and the Federation Cup, they should release it. Because the winner of the Federation Cup also goes to play in the AFC Cup. One way, sort of like they want to shatter my dreams. I want to go into the Champions League. Nobody has gone it. The Empos has been first everywhere, you see, if you take it. So I want to be the first there also to go there next year. We are trying to get players, good players, to make our team stronger. And then when you put a sort of a block like this, finish. Nowhere in the world, even World Cup teams, how many months? 1 month is there. Till now the players are playing for their league.
While addressing the reporters on Wednesday, Colasso also clarified his daughter Genevieve Colasso's role in the AIFF following negative media reports from a section of the press.
I want to clarify myself. My daughter has gone to AIFF for experience, to gain experience, because she wants to do, like I've said, she's very ambitious. She wants to do sports management degree course in Zurich or in England. This course is for 2 years, and this experience will help her a lot, and that is the reason why we have sent it.
Our sports reporter from Miramar, Patterson Fernandez, with video journalist Shan.
The Goa Cricket Association has announced probables for various state teams for next season. The players were selected during the ongoing coaching camps at the Indoor Academy in Porvorim.
Goa Cricket Association President Dayanand Narvekar addressed the press on Wednesday alongside other GCA officials. This is the first time that the GCA has managed to select their squads except the Ranji outfit before the new season starts. The players for the Ranji squad will be selected by next month.
We have given them rest. All the Ranji players we have been playing for all this time. So they have been given rest now. This rest will continue from this month till month of June. And from July 15, Goa Cricket Association will start outstation camp out of Goa of Ranji probable and also of under 19 probable. Perhaps for the first time for record, the entire selection process of all the team is over before the season starts. And that has been the importance of academy being started in this center with the ground, and functions of the academy has helped in this process.
Narvekar also explained the current status of the International Cricket Stadium, which is to come up in TV.
Goa Foundation has gone into the court challenging diversion of forest area for non-forest purpose. And the matter came sometime in the last month in the court, where GCA said that unless we get all permissions from different authorities, we will not start the work. So the court has not given any direction.
Our sports reporter from Porvorim, Patterson Fernandez, with video journalist Shan.
The 15th Sub-Juniors Tennis Ball Cricket Championship for boys and girls will be held from May 13th to 16th. The national competition will be staged at Fatauda, Madgaon. The Goa Tennis Ball Cricket Association, in collaboration with the Tennis Ball Cricket Federation of India and Sports Authority of Goa, is organizing the event.
A press conference was held on Wednesday in Madgaon to announce the national championships. Puneet Khanna of Khanna Sports India and officials of the Goa Tennis Ball Cricket Association addressed the media persons.
21 girls teams and 28 boys team already confirmed the national championship. And आमचे जे accommodation आसा ते player खातीर PGN Stadium आणि officials and collector house and Sunena hotel हाचेर accommodation केल्ले आसा. Originally on 13th morning 8:30 to 10:30 आमची league match start in the morning section, and in the evening session on 13th it will start from 4:30 onwards. आणि जो रातच्यो matches जातल्यो त्यो 7 start जावन 11:30 पर्यंत चलतल्यो. Every day there will be performance by the Goan artists like खंयचे डान्सर्स आसतले, DJs बी प्ले करतले, ढोल ताशे हे हा प्रकार चालू आसतलो. इनॉग्रेशनाक आमी स्पेशली इनॉग्रेशन 13 तारखेक आसा तेका स्पेशली बॉम्बेच्यान डान्सर्स हाडलेले आहा, लेडी डान्सर्स जे वर्ल्ड डान्स चॅम्पियनशिपाक पार्टिसिपेट जातले, इंडिया रिप्रेझेंट करतले, ते परफॉर्मन्स करतले. त्याच परेन बॉडी बिल्डिंगचे आमचे 4 जे टॉप बॉडी बिल्डर्स आसा ते बॉडी बिल्डर परफॉर्मन्स दितले.
Goa has been a strong contender in tennis ball cricket at the national level in boys as well as girls competitions. They have won the trophies at sub-juniors, juniors and seniors championships at the nationals in different parts of India. The hosts will definitely go all out to win the boys as well as girls trophies at this tournament in Madgaon. Our reporter from Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt.
Birthdays are celebrated with joy and pomp. It gathers happy moments, but during some birthday parties, there are also some funny moments. Have a look at this, have a great laugh, take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.
If it's your birthday, let me hear you say, we want to know.